In this video, I'm going to show how to fix Steam not launching. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, you can click on your Windows search bar, and search for Steam. Then click with the right button and click on the first option, Run as an Administrator. In my case, my Windows it is on Portuguese, but it's the same process, Run as Administrator. If this doesn't work, you can open your Task Manager, find Steam, and click to close Steam from here, okay? You need to close all Steam apps, all Steam executions from your computer. Okay, so close all Steam executions until you not find more Steam right here. Okay, after doing that, you make the same process, search for Steam, right button, run as administrator, okay? And you will see that you will open your Steam. If this doesn't work, you need to restart your computer, and then you can open your Steam, you can launch your Steam. I hope I helped you on how to fix Steam not launching, so if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.